This video will provide you with a step-by-step guide to installing a typical ridge or head condition on Garland's R-Mer Shield standing seam roof system. Before installing R-Mer Shield panels at the ridge or head, pan end each one to create a secondary weather barrier. Using the width-specific tool, slide it onto the panel end and bend upward to a 90-degree angle. Once the panels have been pan-ended, begin installation following the R-Mer Shield clip and panel attachment application excellence video. Follow all maximum allowable clip spacing requirements as outlined in the project-specific shop drawings for all zones. Continue installation for all adjacent panels, including top rails and seam caps. Hand crimp the seam caps over each seam, starting at the ridge to approximately 12 to 18 inches beneath the base of the ridge cap location, locking the seam cap in place. During installation, fix each panel at the peak beneath the head trim to prevent sliding. Attach at the topmost clip following your shop drawings. Use a drop cloth or cardboard to catch metal shavings and protect the panel finish. Secure the head closures in place on each panel by setting the custom trim and foam closure into the panel pan and rotating it into place until the closure is parallel to the ridge. Secure the head closure to the panel seams using 44 1/8 inch rivets. Apply the Garland approved tripolymer sealant on both sides of each head closure and up the vertical leg of each seam. Install a continuous butyl sealant tape across the full width of head closures and panels, providing a watertight seal between the head closure and ridge trim. Fasten the offset cleat a maximum of 6 inches on center between the panel legs into the metal head closures. Be careful not to drive fasteners into the rivets holding the head closure to the panel legs. This will act as the cleat for the ridge trim. Finally, snap the ridge trim onto one cleat. Then press the peak to engage the opposite side. Verify both sides are fully secured along the entire length. For installation of adjacent ridge trim sections, follow the standard trim lap details as outlined in the R-Mer Shield Installation Support Manual.
Garland, partners for the life of your building.